Everyone has ideas. Yeah, they have their own businesses, the clothing store, and so forth. My job is actually to register you. Okay. We all know how difficult it is to get your BE certificate, your tax clearance, your company registered, so that you can be able to get funds from government and people be able to invest in your company. So what we do is you hire us to actually provide those services for you, for your company, okay? So if you have your idea, you come to us and we provide all the paperwork and everything else. What we also do is we provide funding. We assist you in terms of, we currently have a contract with DTI, which is another department for government which provides funding for businesses. It could be, at the moment, the funding that we are busy with, it's the BBSDP, which is mainly about black-owned businesses, okay? So it could be 50% or 1% black-owned businesses. It could be a sole, it could be a corporation, it's fine, okay? They provide funding in terms of machinery, business development, promotions, any sort of funding that you would acquire. So my job is, I come to you, you say you want to apply for this funding. What I will do is I will fix your paperwork, okay? I will get you to meet the requirements that are needed there, because we all know that there are so many fundings out there that government has in place, but unfortunately we are not able to access them. Not that we're not aware, but we don't know where to go about and do that. So my job is actually going to the businesses and actually telling them, look, I think you meet this criteria and so forth, I can assist you in terms of applying for this business and so forth. Our offices were mainly based in Tiger Valley, but we've also just gotten a new home which we're moving in on Monday at the help space. Because we all know that businesses are in Kailicha and in Gugulentu in Merchants Lane, so we need them, they need to be able to access us freely rather than just traveling all the way to Tiger Valley and so forth. So anyone that will be interested to be hooked up, okay, with our services, we have a website which is www.plumpremiumsolutions. You can see all the full services that we provide at Plum, as well as the current funding that we're busy with, which is not the only funding that we will be doing at the moment, because we have a full-time contract with DTI. So any sort of funding that they come up with, that they acquire us to do, what we will do is we will just bring it back. So if you in our database, let's say we did register your company and so forth and did all the
Okay, there we go. Hello, Unathi, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Very well, thank you. Please don't,
Nervous?
I don't,
I'm fine.
I don't think this is a grilling of any sort. I just want to ask you just one question. Right? So, yeah, the idea is fresh, it's different, right? But what's stopping me from going onto a SA business warehouse and just registering my business online in the comfort of my own home and having my tax clearance done, my BE certificate done at X amount? So how would you price yourself for that specific service? So without the DTI and all of those connections, just that there. How are you different from me just Googling register my business online?
Okay. Because at the what we're much faster in terms of getting the certificate to you and so forth. And the thing is, if you use Plum Premium Solutions, you are putting yourself at more advantage of actually being exposed to other things that can be available, because now the main purpose for us being actually registering you is so that we can have you on our database.
Okay, so this is now a follow-up question, sorry.
Okay.
So you're saying you're much faster, but how are you much faster with that new, what's that, the SIP-PROC? SIP something? Yeah, SIP-C, that thing, right? So you're saying you're faster than anyone else who's got that connection there with that specific entity?
Yes.
And how do you know that you're faster than
yes,
everyone else?
actually given the week for us to get your documents and so forth. That's what we're busy with, because we actually have someone that we are working with. We had a contract with them to say, okay, this is same with the DTI. We bring these things and then we expect them to be so forth and so forth. Because that is our contract with them, working with DTI and the SARS and the BD certificate things that we do. So that was our main aim. So far we have registered 3 companies which have gotten funding as well. But you know how Kainicha is full of construction companies. Again, we have a company here which just got funding as well, but for machinery and so forth. And we have a company in Case River, Mbambana something, which it was mainly requesting to be for development and so forth, which they were already registered. But now their thing is they weren't able to access anything else.
Two short questions.
My question is that how long will you register your company? If I want to register my company to your company, how long will it take?
As I said, we give it a week for the paperwork to come back to you with the BS certificate and tax clearance and your business profile. We also do business profile and so forth, and your financials as well. Hook you up with an auditor and someone that can assist you in terms of saying per annum what we will be getting and so forth, and fixing all the revenues for your financial statements.
Hi, Unathi Tyalisi. I want to ask you, you say you help undeveloped businesses and probably you expect remuneration and profit. How do you then get profit? What drives your profit?
Okay. In terms of helping them get funding and so forth, we are contracted by DTI. So they pay us. The businesses don't actually give out anything.